Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Soni, founder and CEO of Energetica Vibrational Healing Private Limited, the first and only company that provides quantum healing solutions to health practitioners and healing centers in India and all around the globe. So today I'll be talking about the latest addition to our store, which is a mini Rife imprinter. So this mini Rife imprinter is gonna help you rebalance, re-energize and recalibrate your body, mind, body and soul. So let's just get into it, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you and just take a look what's in the package. First, when we look at the package, we are presented by a booklet. We'll talk about this in a bit later. First, get to the contents of the package. We have a power cable. We're gonna keep this aside. Then we have this small little pouch. This probably has earphones in it, EMF protective earphones. And then we have a wall socket. We have a pair of speakers which are gonna help us to imprint the frequency even more efficiently. Also, these speakers could be used while you're doing meditation or doing some practices related to healing, etc. And then finally, we have the mini Rife imprinter. Let's get into this. Now moving forward, now you can see I have set the machine and the speakers side by side, one to the left, one to the right, keeping the keypad face towards me so that I can see this properly. Then I would take a look onto my manual and I will find out frequencies for, let's say, skin diseases. Okay, now we're going to look for frequency for skin disease, that is 3703. Okay, so we're going to do it one by one. Usually we choose from the smallest to the largest, so we'll begin with 370. It's pretty easy to connect the machine. All you need to do is connect the AUX input of these speakers to the right hand side, connect the power cable in front, and you can see it's all connected to the power plug that comes along with it. Okay, now moving forward, 370. So what we would do is we would press this button for input, 370, and then we'll press OK. Now you can see and hear, of course, the mini Rife printer has started to produce frequency of 370.37. The mini Rife imprinter actually tries to replicate the frequency to the closest and pure tones. So it will actually, the chip will actually kind of adjust itself to give out the most pure tones which can be reproduced by this chipset. So moving forward, we would need some water to be imprinted, and after we've chosen the frequency, whatever frequency we're looking for example, now I'm looking for Schumann frequency, so 7.7.8, and then OK. So now it would start to produce the Schumann resonance. You can hear. So the speakers are nothing but accessories for you to use while you're imprinting frequencies, doing your spiritual practices and meditation. Along with the speaker, you also get these EMF protective earphones, which can also be used for meditation. So coming back to the mini Rife machine, we've chosen the Schumann resonance. We've placed our water to be printed on top of the machine, and now it is producing sound. Now we will wait for 20 minutes for it to complete its job, and then without turning off the machine or overrunning any other programs, we would, after 20 minutes, we would remove this water, and it is ready to drink and good to go. But now imagine you want more than one frequencies printed on your water. What would you do? What would you do is, after completing the 20 minutes of 7.80 frequency that you've run, we would directly put in the desired frequency. For example, now I want 528 hertz. Okay, and I would play. It start playing. I'll have to tone the volume a bit down. So you could see it has started playing. So now, instead of stopping in the middle or turning off the machine, you could just simply overrun these programs. You can simply overrun these programs one by one. Now I could switch on to, for example, 369, and then I'll press OK. So now the machine will faithfully reproduce 369 frequencies into the water. So we'll now wait for another 20 minutes for it to do its job. So guys, that's how you can easily imprint your water, crystals, even you can print your healing crystal gems, honey, your morning tea, etc., with the power of frequencies, and completely enhance the general power of your devices, of your drinks rather. Okay, thank you so much guys. Okay, now let's talk about this manual which comes along with the mini Rife imprinter, and why is it so important. So this manual is actually gonna give you a brief explanation and state of the art about the technology that has been used in this machine to transfer frequencies from this device to your morning tea, to your shampoos, your honey, your water, etc., etc. So let's get into it. And why this book is so important, because it has all the frequencies that one might look for while dwelling into their healing journey. So you can see the book has a huge number of frequencies starting from A to Z. These frequencies will be coming free in this manual. I'm pretty sure there are more than 300 plus frequencies that could be for use. So let's get into the tutorial or how to use the mini Rife imprinter and transfer frequencies from water to water. Now moving further, if you are interested in getting one of these devices for yourself and stepping into the future, being a part of the future, as Albert Einstein and Nikola Tesla said in the 18th century, that the future of medicine is purely music, sound, frequencies. So being able to provide you with dedicated and specialized frequencies for dedicated diseases, or hormones, or pain, inflammation, or anything, or to replicate frequencies of food or of medicines, one can simply log on to our website, that is energetica369.com, and you can easily scroll down to any of the devices. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to order your frequency imprinter. As you scroll down, you would come onto this window. It says frequency printer. You would click on buy now. It will take you to our product page. Right now, since it's a new launch product, we are offering a discount on it, and you can just select the number of devices that you want. In my case, I just want one device. You can take a look at the photos and then add to cart. If you are already a member of our community, of our WhatsApp group, our Telegram group, and our Facebook group, we would love to share you with one of our discount coupons, wherein you can get even more discount on your first purchase. After completing your information, we would proceed to checkout. Perfect. So now here is the billing page, and now you can fill in your information, like your first name, last name, your country, whichever country. We deliver worldwide. Your address, street address, town, state, your zip code or pin code, your phone numbers, and then place order. Alright guys, I guess it is pretty simple for you now. Simple explanation about the device, how to order it. For any further questions or queries, you can write to us. You can reach us at our email, which is support@energetica369.com. You can call us on this number. Alright, have a good day.